I'm going to show you how to turn this into this to keep track of all of your assignments for your college classes. The first step is to open an Excel file, and it'll look like this. The next step is to add the course, due date, assignment, and notes to the first section of the Excel spreadsheet. I then highlighted all of it and chose to have borders around all of it to keep everything more separate. I then highlighted the due date section, went up to data, and selected long date. That was my preference because it also shows you the exact day of the week that is due as well as the date. Next, open up a syllabus from one of your classes so that you can see the schedule when all assignments are due. You will then enter in the course title, when it is due, and what assignment it is into your spreadsheet. This is the longest part of the process, but I promise that it's worth it. Just keep cross-referencing the syllabus and adding in your assignments. You will eventually get a really long list of when everything is due in a format that's easy to understand. The fun part is now picking a color that you like for your class, so select all of the information from course, due date, assignment, and notes, and then choose a color. You will repeat this process with all of your classes by opening up the syllabus for the class. I like to open it with preview if you have a Mac. And some of the schedules might be posted in the syllabus, some might be posted as an individual schedule document, so you'll have to just see what it is like for each class. Here's how I sort the next class that I have before I sort everything by due date. You can see that this one is in a little bit of a different format than the other syllabus that I was looking at, so it takes some time to get used to how each teacher formats it. I like creating this assignment spreadsheet because it puts everything into the same format and it's easy to understand instead of looking at each individual schedule that has a different format. This particular one was easy to copy-paste each assignment name, which made the process go a little bit quicker. For this section, you'll see that some of my words are overflowing into the next box. I don't like the look of this, so I'm going to choose to highlight all of it and wrap the text to make sure that everything fits within each box. I like to search up wrap text in Excel, and that's the easiest way to find this feature. You will now see that everything is within each box. Make sure that you have the autosave turned on so that if you go without Wi-Fi, it will still keep track of all of your changes. Here's another example of how this schedule looks a little bit different from the previous ones. Really make sure that you're getting the correct dates put into your spreadsheet so that you can accurately reference this. It may take some extra time to do this, but I promise you it's worth it. Here's a video of all the classes input into the Excel, each with a different color separated by course. Now is the fun part to sort all of your classes by the due date. Go up to Sort and Filter, sort oldest to newest, expand selection, and now all of your classes are in order by what is due first. At the end of the semester, your assignment spreadsheet will look like this, all crossed out, and you can see everything that you've completed. Now that your assignment spreadsheet is done, to cross out an assignment that you have completed, do Control 5 for Max to cross out, and then Control 9 to hide the rows. I like to do this to keep everything neat.